Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's a pre-recorded episode. We're actually down in the paint department right now. Beautiful H3. I think this is an H3 double slide. John, let's take a look. I believe this is 1363. Yes, H3 double slide down here. We're in the paint department. I see a remodel paint job going on over here in the background. But the reason we're down here and the reason that Coach 1358 newly completed Coach 1358 is behind me is it's time for the calendar shoot, most notably the Christmas calendar shoot. We're going to go inside. We're going to see what the marketing team is doing in there. So let's go take a look. So here we are in the back of 1358. And as you can see, our marketing team is really working on getting the theme going. And like I told you, it's kind of that blue, silver, and white. This is really nice. I like this. One of the things, and as far as they take it, I saw Pete and John, who is actually holding the camera right there, actually painting these little lights to be blue. So we couldn't find blue lights of that size, so they were literally hand painting each light. A lot of time and effort goes into making the calendar look as good as it does every single year. It's pretty cool. So we're going to walk through here real quick and take a look. This is a bunk coach. This is 1358. And look at the decor in the bunks here. How cool is this? Really themed out well. You got the lighting on in here. It's just really, really cute. Well done. Lots of stuffed animals. I see the Whirly Pop. This is a Christmas sucker. That's really cool. Just really, really cute stuff. Pajamas down here. Looks like a Christmas Day dress for a little girl. Really well done. They're really hitting the theme hard this year. So as we move into the galley and dinette area of the coach, you see that it really opens up into decor everywhere for Christmas. And you see Abigail in the background working hard. One of the things, the AC just kicked on, so I can use my temperature gauge. There we go. Take a look at these cookies, John. This is something that Sarah spent some time. She actually decorated those cookies. I think the joke is she found a part-time career decorating. Look at these little guys. I don't know what these guys are, but I like them.
They're supposed to be snowmen.
Little snowmen. I like it.
She said
but
they look like stormtroopers.
They do look like stormtroopers. But this is really how far our marketing team takes it. And this is what it takes to get the calendar up to the quality that it is. And I just really love how far they take it. And I would say, Abigail, a couple more days? I think there's a couple more days of decor work before they shoot in this coach to get it all done. So yeah, it's really neat to see. Let's go outside, John, and look at a few more things. All right. One of the things you're going to notice in this area right here is all of these supplies have been laid out. We're going to all uncover this stuff and we can take a look, but they gather things from year to year and they decide what that theme is. This year's theme is like a silver and blue. It very much so matches this coach, but let's go take a look. You can see, if you look under here, all of this stuff, all of this decor is items that have been archived over the years, and some of it's going to be used inside, some of it's not. All right, everybody, that's about it for this pre-recorded little episode. Be yourself and do good things. I'm going to get out of here and bring you some more pre-recorded episodes of things that we see. I mean, it's a Friday afternoon. John just messaged me and says, hey, what are you doing? Let's go. And I came down here and we got some footage for you. So it's my honor to bring it to you. Have a good weekend. Actually, it's probably going to air on Monday, so have a good week.